Good morning. Now we complete our third chapter, coordinate geometry. We start here. Chapter 4, linear equations in two variables. Linear equation in two variables. In earlier chapter, we know that linear equation in one variable ax plus b is equals to 0. We know polynomial ax is equals to plus b is equals to 0, that it is formed ax plus b is equals to 0. It's a linear equation in one variable. Here, standard form of linear equation in one variable ax plus b is equals to 0, where a and b are real number, where a and b are real numbers, and a is not equals to 0. A is not equals to 0. X is a variable only one. Therefore, ax plus b is equals to 0. The equation is in one variable. As for example, suppose 2x plus 3 equals to 0. It is a one variable. Here variable is x, a is equals to 2, b is equals to 3. Therefore, its 0 is unique 0. It has unique 0. 2x is equals to minus 3, x is equals to minus 3 by 2. It has unique 0. That is, a linear equation has unique 0. Now second, linear equation in two variables. Linear equation in two variables. Its standard form ax plus by plus c equals to 0. ax plus by plus c is equals to 0. When a, b and c are real numbers and a and b are not both 0. Suppose both are zeros, then this is our polynomial, our equation becomes constant. Here suppose a is 0, then we write 0x plus by plus c is equals to 0. Now linear equation in two variable is equals to, standard form of linear equation in two variable is equals to ax plus by plus c equals to 0, where a, b and c are real numbers and a and b are not both 0. Here variables are x and y. Coefficient of x is a, denoted a. Coefficient of y is denoted b, and our constant term is equal to c. Here suppose its example is 2x plus 3y minus 5 equals to 0. Here a is equals to 2, b is equals to 3, c is equals to minus 5. Now next, again linear equation in two variable, its standard form is ax plus by plus c equals to 0, where a, b, c are real numbers and a and b are not both 0. Now example number 1. Write each of the following equations in the form ax plus by plus 0 and indicate the values of a, b and c in each case. Here suppose question is this type. Write each of the following equation in the standard form. In the standard form, then we know that standard form of equation two variable equation is ax plus by plus c is equals to 0 and indicate value of a, b, c. Here given in the form ax plus by plus c equals to 0 and indicate the values of a, b and c in each case. Number 1. 2x plus 4y is equals to 4.37. We write in standard form. First ax, then 2x plus by. Here by is equals to 4y plus c. Then we take c, that means constant term 4.37 is equals to 0. We write this equation in standard form. Ax plus by plus c is equals to 0. Indicate value of a, b and c. Here a is equals to 2, b is equals to 4 and c is equals to minus 4.37. A is equals to 2, b is equals to 4 and c is equals to minus 4.37. Number 2. X minus 4 is equals to root 3 pi. First we write x, ax, that means x plus by. Here by terms becomes minus root 3 pi plus c minus 4 equals to 0. Here a is equals to, what is it? A is equals to coefficient of x is equals to 1. Then we write a is equals to 1. B is equals to, here b is equals to coefficient of y is equals to minus 3 and c is equals to our constant term minus 4. We indicate this term in a is equals to 1, b is equals to minus root 3, c is equals to minus 4. Okay. Example 1, number 3. Example 1 is express the following equation in standard form. Ax plus by plus c equals to 0 and indicate values of a, b and c. Here number 3. 4 is equals to 5x minus 3 pi. Then we write this equation in standard form. First we write 5x minus 3 pi. Here minus 4 equals to 0. It is written as or. Otherwise it is written as minus 5x plus 3y plus 4 equals to 0. I write also these types of these types. Here indicate a is equals to 5, b equals to minus 3 and c is equals to minus 4. Here a equals to minus 5, b is equals to 3 and c is equals to 4. Opposite value of this thing. Here a is equals to 5, then minus 5. B is equals to minus 3, b is equals to 3 and c is equals to minus 4, then c is equals to 4. Both values are equal. It is written as 5x minus 3y minus 4 equals to 0 or minus 5x plus 3y plus 4 is equals to 0. Second number, 2x is equals to 1. First we write ax 2x plus by. Here by is equals to not y is equals to minus 1. Then our constant plus c is not exists, therefore we write 0 is equals to 0. Here a is equals to 2, b equals to minus 1 and c is equals to 0. Again 4 is equals to 5x minus 3y. Then we write 5x minus 3y minus 4 is equals to 0. A is equals to 5, B is equals to minus 3 and C is equals to minus 4. Or otherwise we write here minus 5x plus 3y plus 4 equals to 0. A equals to minus 5, B is equals to 3 and C is equals to 4. Number 4. 2x is equals to 1. It is in standard form. 2x minus 1 plus 0 equals to 0. Here A is equals to 2. B is equals to by minus 1y. Therefore B is equals to minus 1. C is equals to 0. Example number 2. Express following linear equation in two variables. Here first equation x is equals to minus 5. Then we can write written as x is equals to x. Y is not exist, therefore we write plus 0y minus 5 plus 5 equals to 0. This is we can written as x plus 0y plus 5 is equals to 0 in two variable. Coefficient of x, a, that means a is equals to 1, b is equals to 0 and c is equals to 5. Second, y is equals to 2. Here x term, ax is equals to 0. Therefore we write 0x plus y is equals to 1. 2 is from here, minus 2 is equals to 0. It can be written in two variables, 0x plus y minus 2 equals to 0. If we write this equation in standard form in two variables, suppose one term is not exist, then we write 0x. Y term is not exist, then we write 0y, because here a or b value are 0. 0x plus y minus 2 is equals to 0. Number 3. 2x is equals to 3. Here which term is not exist? 0y. Therefore we write 2x plus or minus. 0 is neutral number, therefore its sign with any given, plus 0 or minus 0, therefore 0y minus 3 equals to 0. It is written in two variable, 2x plus 0y minus 3 equals to 0. In last question, 5y is equals to 2. X term is not valid, not exist, therefore 0x plus 5y minus 2 equals to 0. Suppose here find A, B and C. Here A is equals to 1, B is equals to 0 and C is equals to 5. In this equation, suppose we have in question, given question that indicate A, B, C. Then we write here A equals to 0, B equals to 1, C equals to minus 2. 2x plus 0y is equals to minus 3 is equals to 0. Then A equals to 2, B equals to 0 and C is equals to minus. Here A equals to 0, B equals to 5 and C is equals to minus 2. Question is this type. Express the following linear equation in two variables using two variables x and y. It is written in standard form ax plus by plus c is equals to 0. Number first, x is equals to minus 5. We can written as x ax. Y is not exist, therefore we write 0y. Its value is 0. 0y plus 5 is equals to 0. Number 2, y is equals to 2. Therefore, x term is not exist. Therefore, we write 0x plus y. Its value is 0. Y minus 2 is equal to 0. Therefore, y is equal to 2. Our equation is as it is. A is equal to 0, b equals to 1, c is equal to minus 2. 2x is equal to 3, 2x plus 0y minus b equals to 0. A equals to 2, b is equal to 0, c is equal to minus. 5y is equal to 2. Then 0x plus 5y minus 2 is equal to 0. A equals to 0, b is equal to 5 and c is equal to minus 2. Now we start our exercise 4.1.